All right. Let's put the same ID here and let's change it to 4. Okay. So I will quickly change all these tests. This one is correct. Then I just change this 3. I will go here and I'll make it 4. I will come here and I'll make it 5. Sorry. Yeah, this will be 4. Sorry. 4. Why this is 3? Then this should be 2. Okay, then the H1, the paragraph for each of them, I need to change it to small letter. This is 2. Then this is 3. Then this is 4. Okay, so this is just, if you scroll down now, you see what I've done. Okay, you see everything I've added. So one thing with HTML code is that, and the browser, that each code you are adding, all of them just take place one after the other. So now we'll use CSS and start the job. I'll go to my CSS page. First of all, before I proceed, I need to link my CSS. I will come here and will say link. So my reference is style sheet. Okay, so I've linked my CSS. I now go to my CSS. So first thing I will do is neutralize all the padding. You see some padding here, so I want to neutralize it so that only the padding I'm going to give and the margin I'm going to give will stand. So I will say padding 0, so there's no padding in anything. If I go up now, you see that this one now has actually aligned with the beginning of my test. I will also do the same for margin, and I will say margin 0. Then I'll just declare a default font. I will say font family. Font family, I normally use this. Okay, then that's all. So I'll start. So first thing is to work on the menu, the navbar. Okay, or let's start first of all by giving the container a background image. Okay, so I'll go here and I will say dot container. I will say dot container. First thing I'll say width. The width is 100%, so that it will cover the entire screen. Then I will say height. The height is 100 VH. Then finally, I will now say background image. Background image. Under this background image, I will say use linear gradient. Under linear gradient, choose arrow GBA. Then under the arrow GBA, put 0, 0, 0, 0 point. Okay, let me use 6. Then I'll go out and I'll put comma again. I will say arrow GBA. Okay, sorry. I will press enter here so that we start from the arrow GBA. Okay, I will open a bracket again. I will say 0, 0, 0, 0.6 again. Okay, you see the background has changed. Okay, so I'll place my cursor at the end of this. I'll put comma. I want to use image. I will use URL. Then I'll now say images, which is the folder containing my images. I have my background image. I will put background image. So automatically, sorry, it's not the image I want to use. Let me use another image. Let me use this. Okay, let's use this and see how it looks like. It doesn't make sense for me. It's just a chair. Let's say img. Let's use 2. Okay. Okay, let's use this one. So you can see the image is repeating, so I need to use position. I'll say background position. You see background position, and I will say center. Next one, I'll say background size. Background size, I will say cover. Okay, so you can see my image, you can see my background image is looking good now. Okay, next thing, we need to talk to the nav bar so that everything will align. Okay, so I will enter again and I will say dot nav bar. Okay.